Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we're diving into the systems of equations again, and we're just gonna seek for parallel lines. Specifically, we will be exploring which given two lines are parallel to each other. To determine two lines are parallel, what are you looking for? If two lines are parallel, they have the same slope. So let me put this better writing. Sorry about that. We are looking for m1 equal m2. We're looking for equal slopes. So in the first equation given 2x minus y, you need to isolate the y. So this is negative y. Let's add y to each side of the equation. This becomes 2x equals y plus 3. And to get y by itself, I'm just going to take away 3. This will becomes y equals 2x minus 3. The number in front of the x is 2, which is the slope. For linear equations, I've been mentioning about this in the other videos as well, but for the ones who's watching only this video for the first time, I would like to add it up here. This is linear equation format, slope-intercept form of an equation. When y is by itself, the number in front of the x is the slope. So that's what I've been doing. I'm trying to isolate the y. So we found the slope for the first one, slope 2. And the second one, I'm going to take away x now from this time. 2y is equal to negative x plus 3. Divide both sides by 2. So y will be equal to negative 1 over 2x plus 3 over 2. So the number in front of the x is negative 1 over 2. As you can see, the slopes are not equal, so choice A is not the answer you're looking for. And let's continue with choice C over here. And I will just add y. So that will be, I'm going to do the solution of C in the bottom here. So x is equal to 10 plus y, and take away 10 from its sides. So this becomes y is equal to x minus 10. The slope then, the number in front of the x is positive 1. For the second one, we will just take away x from both sides of the equation. So I'm going to do it over here. Y is equal to negative x plus 10. So the slope for the second one is negative 1. They are not equal. 1 and negative are not equal. Therefore, this is not the answer. So let's continue with the choice B. We have limited space in here, but I will do my best, try to fit it in there. Take away 2x as a first step. So that will be 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 5, and divide by 3, and then y will be equal to negative 2 over 3x plus 5 over 3. And the slope of, I'm going to put it over here, the slope of the first equation is negative 2 over 3. And let's do the same, this other one. We will take away this time 6x from both sides. So 9y is equal to negative 6x plus 1. Divide by 9, both sides. Then y, if you will simplify 6 and 9 by 3, negative 2 over 3x plus 1 over 9. So the M2 is also negative 2 over 3 we found. So they have the same slope, so they are parallel. So therefore your answer will be choice B for this question. But let me show you the choice D as well. And we will add y to both sides. Then equation becomes plus 1, and take away 1 from both sides. Y is equal to 3x minus 1. So the M1 is 3. For the second equation, I'm going to solve it up here. Take away just 4x from both sides. Then it becomes negative 4x plus 2. And the number in front of the x is negative 4. So M2 is negative 4. They are not equal to each other, so therefore they're not parallel. So the right answer for this one is choice B again. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more Math Jamboree videos, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Leave any questions or topics you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.